Hey gang, I'm back for the soup prep. Okay, so really quick, super easy. Remember last night we boiled those bones and all the liquid and everything in there. I filled it up with water, covered it about an inch from the top. I was left with about 4 inches less than of the liquid. So I added some water to it when it finished. Right here's the finished product. When I got done with all that, I skimmed the top, I strained everything, pulled all the nasty garbage out, strained it, ran it through a strainer, put it right back in the pot. Okay, I chopped up my carrots and my celery, and you can see the celery leaves here that I chopped and left in there. I told you I saved those for flavor. We have my cans of diced tomato, the 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and the 2 cans of green beans, the chicken, and then this is that reserve potato and onions. Everything goes in the pot. Super easy. All I do, the only thing that I do is I strain the liquid from the green beans. That's it. So, everything in the pot, we're gonna put it on low, let it sit all day long. You can let it sit as long as you want to. In fact, you can start it early in the morning and just let it sit on low all day if you want to. But this is a nice, easy recipe that makes a big quantity. So then when you scoop that out, make sure you're kind of looking at your serving sizes because you want that to equal the reds and the the green containers. Remember, we do have a little bit of potatoes, so that is going to be probably about a half a yellow, okay? So one serving is going to be about 2 cupfuls of soup, depending on how much meat you put in there. You put a lot of meat, you're going to have to eyeball it, okay? You know what your serving sizes are. Remember, these red containers are for measuring. So this is your meat. If you put it in a bowl and it looks like it might fit, eyeball it. If you don't trust yourself, go ahead and separate things out, measure it out, put it back into the bowl, okay? But it shouldn't be that difficult. Your vegetables, this sucker's huge, okay? Seriously. One green, probably about 2 cups of soup is gonna be 1 red, 1 green, and about a half a yellow, okay? You're gonna be just fine. So enjoy yourselves. Heat this up, let it sit on low for a while, stir it. You might add just a little bit of salt and pepper to it and maybe some dry herbs of your choice. I prefer to stay with thyme, rosemary, and maybe a touch of oregano just to give it some added hoo-ha. All right, you guys, enjoy. Have a good soup tonight. I'll show you the finished product later.